Workflow to build a course with the help of AI. From start to finish in only 8 steps. Step 1. Determine the learner objectives. Answer the question, what does the learner need to know by the end of the course? You can use ChatGPT by prompting it with, act as an instructional designer and create a list of learner objectives on subject that includes what the learner needs to know. Step 2. Organize learner objectives into topics. Select desired objectives from the generated list and prompt ChatGPT to act as an instructional designer and sort the learner objectives into topics. Step 3. Create screens for each topic. Prompt ChatGPT to act as an instructional designer and write out the content for topic and divide it into screens that are 30 to 60 seconds long. Step 4. Revise and refine the outline provided by ChatGPT to match your training requirements through careful review and editing. Now, to transform the script into a well-structured storyboard. You can access the storyboard template provided in the description and proceed with the following steps. Step 5. Choose a media type. Decide on the media type to bring the content to life. It could be an animated video created in Powtoon, a basic text and image screen, a quiz screen, a survey, a graphic made in Canva, or an interactive element from Genially. Whatever you build can be easily added to a Udutu course. Step 6. Create narration for each screen. With 11 labs, you can easily and inexpensively create professional narration for your course. Step 7. Build the course in Udutu. Open Udutu and create a new course. Add your logo and apply your brand colors, ensuring colors adhere to accessibility standards. Include videos by uploading them as media elements. Insert text and titles for each screen. Upload images in PNG format. Include narration files in MP3 format. This is the same file type 11 Labs narration is downloaded in. Embed interactive elements like a Genially or a Google form. Build quiz questions. Step 8. Publish and share. You can publish the course directly to Udutu's LMS or publish a preview link. By following these 8 steps, you can efficiently and cost-effectively create an engaging and interactive course.